Hey boys and girls, Mrs. Restiturio here with your math lesson today. We're looking at page number 5, and the strategy I'll be teaching you is counting on and making a 10 to subtract so that you can complete each set of equations. Okay, so the first strategy we're going to look at is subtraction by making a 10 strategy. You're always going to try and make a friendly 10 because when you have a 10, it's a lot easier to do subtraction. So I'm going to show you an example here. 12 minus 6. 12 is the whole, so I put a W above, and 6 is a part. 12 minus 6, we're taking away one part, and we have to find the missing part over here. So if we look at this, 12 minus 6, we can take this number here, the part, and break it down into a 2, and 2 plus what number equals 6? A 4. Okay, so now if I look at 12 minus 2 from this number here, 6, 12 minus 2, I've made a friendly 10. Woohoo! Check. So now that I've made a friendly 10, I've used the number 2, and we're not going to be looking at the 6 anymore, so I'm just going to cross that out. Now I can look here, the numbers I have left, 10 minus the 4 I have here, 10 minus 4 I can easily do in my head. The answer to 10 minus 4, everyone should know that, 6, that's right. 10 minus 4 is 6. So now I can fill in over here my missing part. Always try and make a friendly 10. Now, let's think about the counting on strategy. We've taught you this before, so let's just review. Some of the equations you're going to see, you can use the counting on strategy. So for example, if you have an addition problem, 4 plus, we have a missing number equals 6. So if we look here, this is the whole, or the entire part that you need to find. Then we have a part and another part here that we don't know, the unknown part. A part plus another part equals the whole, or the entire thing that we're looking at is going to add up to the number 6. So when you use the counting on strategy, you're going to start with the first number, 4. I'll just write it here, but you can say it in your head, or you can count it out on your hand and say 4. And then you're going to count on a certain amount of times until you say this number, the whole. The last number you say, then you stop. So if I'm at, this is 4. 4, count on till you hear yourself say the whole. 4, 5, 6. And then look at how many times did I count on. You can also write it here. 4, 5, 6. So I started at 4. That was like in my hand. So how many more times did I count on? 2 times. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, boys and girls, if you have any questions, just message me in Dojo. Happy learning!